This is the Kishu Shimpaku Juniper that I styled. I think it's, well, let's see, the tag says August 24th of 2023. So this has been on here for, the wire's been on here for about a year and 2 months. And it's also really growing. I know that 3 months after I styled this tree, I moved it into this pot, and then this year it actually outgrew what I wanted it to, or we would have put it in the educational exhibit. I need to go back through here and thin the bottoms and then cut these runners off if I want to, but it looks like it's coming along fine. Stay tuned. All right, so let's check this tree out. So in August of 2023, you can look into the shorts and see a picture, the pictures of this before and after. It was just a 5-gallon nursery stock tree. I added some deadwood, and then I wired the tree and gave it a little movement, and it has exploded with growth. I repotted it actually 3 months later. You see all these? Whenever you see these are indications of wonderful health. They're called runners. You need runners on there to display, and I think I've cut a few of those off this year already. Runners tell you the strength and the power and the health of the tree. Well, all right, so what we're going to do now is go through here and take all the wire off of all the branches. And we made a little deadwood before, might clean that up a little bit. But the biggest thing is take the wire off. It's been about a year now and 2 months, so it's a few places are just starting to cut in. So there's 2 ways to remove wire. One is cut at like every 45-degree angle, and the other one's to unwind. So I'll be doing a little of both of those. You know, when I originally styled this tree, the goal at the time was just to get the initial pads, and there was a lot of removal. So now, a lot of removal of foliage. So now, I've got all kinds of foliage. I have to be careful not to cut into that. So some of these smaller wires, of course, I'm going to unwire, as you can see. Okay, here we are after a few hours. We're doing a little work on here, and we're about 30% done. I still need to clean all the pads and thin the foliage and work on that very bottom pad to make it look more natural. All right, I'll take some more pictures later. Take care. So here we are, we're about 90% done from a 5-gallon just nursery stock tree. And let's see, let's turn this around a little bit. So I still have to finish the top. So I'm gonna finish the top and then I'll post a few more pictures, but we're almost there. So 90% done. Great little tree. Now we just need to wait for it to fill in. So I can fill in some more. As it grows, those pads will fill in and I'll be able to wire some more branches. Okay. Okay, here we are at the initial styling finish. So it's got a long ways to go. This is just an initial styling. And yeah, we have to wait for the top to fill in. We have to wait for more branches to grow in. We can wire and make these pads look more beautiful. But this is a wonderful start from a 5-gallon nursery stock Kishu Shinpaku Juniper. All right. Have a great one. Take care.